Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be unscrambling some long E words. So the first one, the boy is pointing to these books. Pop up the sounds in the word these. E, z. These. E, z. These. Okay, the next one is a meme. Pop up the sounds in meme. E, meme. Eam. Good. Okay. I'm trying to think what the next one is. I can't think of the word. Lead? Deal. Lead. What is it? I can't think of what the word is, boys and girls. Hold on one second. Okay, I found out what the word is. It's a lead, like the opening line of a story. Lead. Phew, that was hard. I had to look that one up. Okay. This one is going to be a hard one. It's evening, like after the day before the night comes is the evening. Evening. Like that. So it has that word eve in it that we've been reading a lot this week, and then it's evening. Okay. Next one. These are hard words, boys and girls. Woo! This is complete. Like this. So the long E is at the end. This is a 2-syllable word. Complete. So it's a closed syllable, 2 syllables, long vowel at the end. Okay. Last one is also a 2-syllable word. It is compete. Eat. Compete. Okay, so now we need to write a sentence using one of the words from above. I definitely don't think we should use lead because that one is way too hard. So let's use the word meme. Let's write, we saw a funny meme. Okay. We saw, don't forget your finger space. Now let's write the word funny. Funny. Meme. Like that. With a period at the end. You always have to have a period, don't forget. You boys and girls, that was rough. You did a good job. All right. On the back side, you'll need a paper clip. And then you're going to spin, and whatever number you land on, you're going to write that word. And by the time you're done, you'll have written 27 different words. Okay, so practice your spelling words, and then when you're all finished, do what your teacher would have you do next. Well done, boys and girls.